Everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to watch recently, or how to see recently watched videos on Instagram. So to do that, let's head over to the Instagram application first. Once you are there, make sure you have logged in into your desired account, and then head over to your profile by tapping the profile icon on the lower right corner. And in here, go to your Reels section. And once you're there, let's say I have watched this reel and I have liked it. And once you are done with pics, just tap on the file icon on the lower right and tap on the three lines icon on the top right. Now go to the your activity in how you use Instagram section. Now go to the like section. Now here, as you can see, the reel I just watched it. So yeah, this is how easily you can see watched reels on Instagram. Hope this video helped you out. If you got any questions regarding this, make sure to comment down below and we will see you in the next video.